Okay, so what we got here is a Range Rover Vogue autobiography 2019 in this beautiful green emerald color. And what we've done is we've installed what's called the Starline M66 security system. So it's immobiliser and tracker and phone call notification system. If a thief gets in the vehicle and they do not have the Starline tag, so they'll copy your keys and they try and start the vehicle will not start. I can't put it into gear and it will shut down. The system's going to call you on your phone to let you know someone's trying to start it.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on. The car's condition.
So it's let you know someone's gone in the vehicle and they're trying to start it. Now, when you get in the vehicle, you need to disarm the system by using the tags that are given to you with the Starline tags. So you press the button on the tag, that turns the system off, and now you can turn the vehicle on. As you can see, I can now put it into gear. So if you do not have the tag with you, you cannot start this vehicle. App also is included with the Starline M66 V2 system, allowing you full tracking, so you can track the vehicle, control the immobiliser, remote immobilize it, and turn the system off for garage use. If you want the Starline M66 V2 installed on your Range Rover Vogue, see the link down below. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.